going on, guys? Jay, that Dream guy. We're in a laundry room of an apartment building, and as you guys can see, drain's backed up. So this is a 3-inch drain, and we're going to be using the K50 from Rigid. So let's get this set up and get this cleaned out. So apparently the maintenance guy that services this building tried running his small machine through the floor grate. So I'm guessing it's just like the 1/4-inch cable, and wasn't able to clear it. So now we're going to see if we can clear it. If you guys are liking these kind of videos, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, ring that bell, baby, ring that bell. Do all the things you guys know. So I do have the clog chopper hooked up, but we're going to be taking that off because it's most likely not grease buildup. I'm guessing it's going to be lint and everything else like that. So we're going to be using a 4-way cutter. Somebody did tell me what the actual name of that cutter was, and I forget. So this is a 3-inch drain. Just gotta make sure we're still recording because, you know, I do want to see if we put you guys here. Let's try that. So this is the 5/8 cable, like I said. I think I said. That's 2 cables right there. We're going to run another 2 cables. That's a 15-foot mark right there. Each cable is 7.5 feet. And I have 2 hooked up at a time. I think we might be at the problem. Maybe not. That's the 3rd cable, 22.5 feet. Well, we might be at the problem, actually. Yes, I believe we are. that's what we want to see. I thought this was a 3-inch drain. It's actually a 4-inch drain. Let's see what we pull out. Some limits. Alright guys, I want to thank you for watching. This has been Jay, that Drain Guy, signing out. Until next time, Shrugma.